have you ever thought about the fact that despite you thinking you eat a healthy diet and you like to go running and doing all these sports, which, by the way, uses up a lot of nutrition. Sports people need a lot more nutrition than the average person. Have you ever thought about how well you're digesting those nutrients, how well your gut is functioning? And I think it's a very important subject.
Yeah, absolutely it is. I'm just thinking that for most of our patients, as osteopaths, chiropractors, physiotherapists, we can ask our patients that, and they will never have thought beyond, well, am I regular? Because it's such a complex subject, the state of how your digestion works, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, and of course it's not very British to talk about it, but it is very, very important. And if you have inflammation in the gut, which could be called IBS or Crohn's or anything else, suffering from bloating, suffering from a slow digestion, there's something wrong, and we are all our own best doctor really at recognizing these things, and you should do something about it. And probiotics are something that are absolutely worth taking as a minimum once a year, just to improve your immunity. And how you might relate that to osteopathy or chiropractic or whatever, and the function of the physical body, the joints and things, is if you have inflammation in the gut, it mirrors itself in other parts of the body, even to the extent that something like Alzheimer's, very prevalent today. It's a condition where there's inflammation in the brain. They're doing great research now that if you can get the inflammation out of the gut with good probiotics, you're improving patients' level of Alzheimer's. And they're now looking at their research is now going towards Parkinson's and other things. So inflammation in the gut equals inflammation in the body, and that can affect the joints, of course.